AA is putting ancient puffin habitats at serious risk, and this is a warning sign we can't ignore. While many view AI as a tool for efficiency, the hidden dangers of machine learning in nature are alarming. Scientists are using AI to recreate habitats lost for centuries, but what if those reconstructions are based on flawed data? That's a critical concern. Picture this: a researcher confidently presses a button to simulate a revived puffin habitat. But does that researcher truly grasp the complexities of the ecosystem? Likely not, and that's where dangerous errors can creep in. Imagine arriving at a once vibrant puffin colony that now feels eerily silent. The A has reconstructed the landscape, yet it's missing essential components, perhaps a crucial plant that puffins depend on. This isn't just a pretty image, it's a potential disaster waiting to unfold. People often rush to celebrate technological advancements, overlooking the dire consequences. Those testing algorithms could lead to environments unsuitable for real puffins, much like building a beautiful house on a crumbling foundation. What if A misinterprets critical climate data necessary for these colonies? A small error in temperature modeling could trigger a catastrophic chain reaction, leading to declining puffin populations. We're crafting virtual worlds that can't sustain the life we aim to protect. The stakes are high, and every decision made by A could have profound consequences. Yet, we often place blind trust in these systems without fully understanding the risks involved. But there's hope. We can improve how we use AI in ecological restoration by merging human insight with artificial intelligence, ensuring that every factor is considered. It's about striking the right balance. As we navigate this digital age, we must remain vigilant. Every tool carries hidden risks, and AI is no exception. So, take a moment to consider, what role do you want technology to play in safeguarding our fragile ecosystems? The choices we make today will echo for years to come. The time to act is now. What if I told you that the world of puffins is facing more risks than you might think? While you're busy keeping up with the latest in AI technology, there's a critical issue unfolding right before our eyes. Once lively, rocky coastlines that echoed with the calls of puffins are now strangely silent. The habitats that once supported these charming birds are being reshaped using artificial intelligence, but there's a hidden danger here that many overlook. As AI technology advances, it's becoming adept at simulating and restoring environments, including ancient puffin habitats. But what happens when we rely too heavily on algorithms to recreate nature's beauty? Imagine a puffin returning to a habitat that seems familiar but feels entirely wrong. An altered landscape might not provide the safety or resources these birds have depended on for generations, setting them up for failure. Moreover, the data driving these AI systems often comes from outdated sources. When reconstructions are based on incomplete or inaccurate information, the new habitats may lack essential elements, like suitable nesting sites or food sources. Let's reflect on our role here. Every time we push for technological advancement without considering its ecological impact, we risk losing something truly precious. There's a delicate balance between innovation and disruption, and we might be crossing that line without even realizing it. What if the solution lies in a more balanced approach? Imagine merging AI with traditional ecological knowledge. This could lead to habitats that honor both the past and the future. It's not just about algorithms, it's about understanding the essence of nature. The stakes are high, but so are the possibilities. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must ask ourselves, are we truly ready to recreate what we've lost? As you contemplate the future of AI and our environment, keep the puffin in mind. Their survival may hinge on how we choose to approach this new frontier. Reflect on this as you move forward. Are you ready to be part of a solution that respects both technology and nature? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps restore the ancient puffin habitats we've lost. Sounds incredible, right? But what if I told you there could be unexpected risks involved? Many people see AI as the ultimate solution to environmental challenges. But what if, instead of saving these birds, we end up putting them in greater danger? Consider this: AI systems analyze data and create models based on past ecosystems to predict which plants will thrive. But what happens if the AI overlooks the intricate web of life that puffins depend on? That's a troubling thought. Picture yourself on a remote Iceland, surrounded by cliffs and vibrant seabirds. You might think, this place seems strong and resilient. Yet beneath that beauty lays a fragile balance. When AI starts to alter that balance, even the smallest changes can have huge impacts on the ecosystem. So there you have stones. What's even more concerning is that the algorithms designed to help could misjudge critical interactions. Imagine introducing a plant that thrives in simulations, only to discover it takes over, leaving puffins with little to eat. It's like navigating a game filled with hidden traps. Now, let's raise the stakes. Consider how many habitats have already been lost due to human actions. If we rush into AI-driven solutions without careful consideration,